How to make ChatGPT read responses out loud in mobile app. In this video, I'll show you how you can make your ChatGPT read responses out loud using your mobile application. Now, before you go ahead and pull up ChatGPT, make sure that you're using the latest version of ChatGPT. From here, you've got to make sure as well that you're logged in into your account. So all these specific prompts that you will type in or you will execute on ChatGPT, you will have these icons below. What you're gonna need to do for you to have it read it out loud is to use this sound icon. Then once you tap that, it will automatically provide you a response using the default voice that you have from ChatGPT. However, if you would like to change it, just simply tap on these two lines at the top left, then tap your abbreviation of your username, scroll down, and then under voice, you should be able to change it into Ember, Juniper, Sol, and so on and so forth. And that's it. That's how you make ChatGPT read responses out loud in mobile app.